Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using hashtags to get noticed. Let's get started. People use hashtags on their tweets to make their posts and content searchable by users on Twitter. You need to know how to properly use your hashtags on your tweets so that your posts will get noticed by your target audience. It lets users apply dynamic, user-generated tagging that helps other users easily find messages with a specific theme or content. The purpose of hashtags is to draw attention, to organize, and to promote content. Hashtags on Twitter makes it easier for people to find, follow, and contribute to a conversation. There are different kinds of hashtags that you can use to promote your brand, business, and content. These are brand hashtags, or a tagline hashtag, interactive hashtag, and content hashtag. A brand or tagline hashtag is a hashtag where you can use your own brand's name or your brand's tagline. For example, Nike used Just Do It as their brand hashtag, and for Coca-Cola, they used Taste That Feeling hashtag. An interactive hashtag is where you encourage people to participate in your tweet. For example, this tweet says, "My dog would always bite my shoes whenever I would go out of the house." Tweet your dog's clingy moments with the hashtag #ClingyDogMoments. A content hashtag is anything that is related to your content. It is not a hashtag that is relevant to your brand or business, but improves the SEO of your posts. If you will be using a pre-existing hashtag, take a minute to see what it's all about. Some hashtags have connotative meaning or a deeper meaning than what it means. For example, the hashtag #WhyIStayed was used by this pizza brand to imply a joke why I stayed for pizza, but the pre-existing hashtag was meant for domestic abuse topics. We want to avoid this kind of mistakes as this will affect our brand. For a brand or a tagline example, the hashtag #BellaShow, like the famous series Money Heist, they promote their season 4 Netflix premiere by using the hashtag #BellaShow. You can see in this example that every Money Heist fanatics are using the hashtag #BellaShow for the upcoming season 4. So how does this help the show? It gives them more free exposure. It helps them spread the news of their new upcoming season. And lastly, people who haven't watched the series are going to start to notice and get curious about it, so they will be checking it out, and if they like it, these people will be Netflix new subscribers. Our next example is an interactive hashtag. This is one example of interactive hashtags. Jimmy Fallon, an American comedian, actor, television host, writer, and producer, uses hashtags to generate ideas for his hashtag segment for his late night show. Here is an example of a hashtag that Jimmy Fallon used for his topic. As you can see, he posted an interactive tweet with the hashtag #KidQuotes. If we look on the hashtag, we can see people who interacted with the hashtag and used the hashtag. Here we can see that Jimmy Fallon used it on his show, and you'll be able to view it on this YouTube video. Next, here's an example of another tagline hashtag. Snickers made funny ads about being hungry, where the tagline goes, "You're not you when you're hungry," which means that you need to eat Snickers for you to be yourself again. As you can see in the video, they made a new ad where the world is in chaos and making a big hole on Earth to feed Mother Earth with a gigantic Snicker is the solution, then putting the hashtag Snickers Fix the World. If you click on the hashtag, you'll see people using the hashtag with the same humor implied. With that humor, it became a trend worldwide. Next, here's an example of a content hashtag. As you can see, people post pictures of their food and put the hashtag food, but it's not relevant to their brand or profile. If you click on this hashtag, you will see the reach it gives your post. It places your post in a community where people who are interested in the same topic will start noticing you. Twitter hashtags helps you to promote your brand and business niche wisely. By using brand hashtags or tagline hashtags, it gives people awareness of what your brand and business is all about. With this kind of hashtag, anyone who will use your products or services and loves your brand will use your brand hashtag with their posts, and that helps you create a community for your brand and your business. Interactive hashtags will give your brand or business more reach and attention from different kinds of people because it will give an opportunity to interact with people more deeply. With content hashtags, people will easily get updated with your business products or services that you offer. Now that you know about using hashtags to get noticed, we can now proceed to the next topic. Put Twitter follow button on your blog. I'll see you there.